Dear students, hello. Myself Dr. Anand Kumar Arya, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Regional Institute of Education, NCERT, Ajmer. The present online course, Stereochemistry of Organic Compounds, is for senior secondary students studying in class 11th and 12th. This course will be instructed by me along with the senior faculty members of NCERT, Professor R.K. Parashar, Professor Alka Malhotra and Professor V.P. Gupta. The concepts of stereochemistry covers the major portion of organic chemistry at senior secondary level. The three-dimensional representation and visualization of an organic compound and their stereochemical aspects are necessary for understanding organic chemistry concepts. The course content of this course has been arranged systematically so that it could be easily understood by the beginners. The whole course will be covered in 6 weeks, and during each week there will be 2 sessions. During the first week, in session 1, the tetravalency of carbon, the three-dimensional representation of organic molecules, and the shapes of carbon atom using molecular models will be discussed. In session 2, the three-dimensional representation of organic compound using flying wedge projection and Fischer projection formula will be discussed. The organic molecules will also be represented with Newman projection and Sauer's projection formula. The Fischer D and L nomenclature of organic compounds will also be discussed in this session. In the second week, the concept of stereoisomers will be discussed. During the first session of week 2, the type of stereoisomers on the basis of their symmetry and energy criteria will be discussed. In session 2, the configurational and conformational isomers with special reference to optical and geometrical isomers will be discussed. The relative stabilities of conformations and conformations of ethane will also be discussed. During the third week of course, we will discuss the concept of optical activity and chirality. In the first session, we will discuss the relation of optical activity with the asymmetry and the structure of organic compounds, and molecular chirality will also be discussed. In the session second, the remaining concepts like inversion, retention, resolution and racemization will be discussed. In 4th, 5th and 6th week, the stereochemical aspects studied so far will be applied for understanding of organic reaction mechanisms. During the 4th week, the stereochemistry of electrophilic addition reaction of alkene will be discussed. And in this week, we will discuss the stereospecific anti and trans addition of electrophilic addition reaction, and we will also discuss the regioselectivity and orientation of electrophilic addition reaction of alkenes. The 5th week of the course will cover the stereochemical aspects of nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkanes. In this week, in the session 1, we will discuss the stereochemistry of SN2 reaction, and in session 2, we will discuss the stereochemistry of SN1 reaction. In the last week, that is the 6th week, we will discuss the stereochemistry of elimination reactions, and in this we will discuss the stereochemistry of E1 reaction and E2 reactions. During the course, a variety of multimedia enriched e-content and animations will be provided for better understanding of stereochemistry of organic compounds. All the video modules will be provided with sufficient reading material in form of handouts. During the program, the assessment of learning will be done through various assignments. The queries of the participants will be answered by team of instructors through video conferencing, live chat and email. All the participants will be registered on discussion forum to discuss their problems within the group. The successful completion of this course will give students a better understanding of organic chemistry. I hope you will enjoy the stereodynamic approach of learning chemistry. So get registered now.